Welcome to another math lesson from the Brown Math Center. Today, I'd like to show you part 3 of how to solve equations, solving equations using a balanced scale method. However, we will only be focusing on equations with the variable on one side of the equal sign. Let us go over the principles that governs the balanced scale. Now, if you can recall, anything you do to one side of the balance scale, you must do the same to the other side. Even if I add an unknown to the left, I must add an unknown, or that same unknown, to the right. Let us dig a little deeper into this principle. Notice what these two circles are doing. They're pushing downwards on the scale, hence keeping it balanced. What if I move the circle that I have on the left and put it on the right side? Should this circle be doing the same thing? That is pushing it downwards or pushing downwards on the scale? No. To keep it balanced, it must be doing the opposite, which is to push it up. As you can see, the scale remains level or remains balanced. Let us explore that same principle when doing this equation. To represent this equation, we have 2x minus 3 equal to 11. Now, if I should move these 3 red circles from the left and put them on the right, then their operation changes. It changes from a -3 to a +3. Now, what we have is +14 equal to 2x's. Now, to get the value of 1x, that would simply be to share these 14 positives equally among my 2x's, hence the value of x would be 7. Let us look at this same question another way. Now, what really happened to move my red circles to the right is this. If I add 3 green circles, which is 3 positives to the left, it simply means that I have to do the same to the right. Now, let us focus on the left side for a while. In reality, you know that a positive cancels out a negative. In this case, they would have to be on the same side of the equal sign. Hence, these 3 negatives will cancel out the 3 positives. And there you go. 2x's equal to 14. Again, to find the value of x, it simply means to share my 14 positives equally among my 2x's, hence the value of x would still be 7. Let us look at this equation. -3x plus 3 equals 15. Let us represent this on the scale. There you go. Now, to solve this, we need all the x's on one side and all constants on the other side. Hence, I need to remove my 3 positives. Now, to do that, I need to remove 3 from the right and 3 from the left. Hence, I have -3x equal to +12. Now, to get the value of x, I need to turn them to positive. Hence, I need to move my 3 negative x's to the right. Now, they become positive. As you can see, this equation now has become 0 equal to +3x plus 12. Now, moving forward. If I move my 12 positive to the left side, they now become negative. Hence, I have -12 equal to +3x. Now, to find the value of 1x simply means that I should share these 12 negatives equally among my x's. There you go. The value of x would be -4 equal to x, or it can be represented like this, x equal to -4. There you have it. I hope you like my video. You can use the link to subscribe or to watch more math videos from the Brown Math Center. Until then, see you next time.